Do you sell your products online? Put photos on multiple platforms to promote your business? Now, with the DoMyShoot mobile app, you can get pro-quality photos in no time. DoMyShoot combines the power of AI and the human touch to deliver pro-quality images. Let's see how it works. Place your products on a plain background and click multiple photos of your product using DoMyShoot app guides. DoMyShoot has marketplace presets to guide you through the process. You can choose to place your products on white or colored background, or pick a lifestyle template for your photos and preview them in real time. Get ready to use images within 24 hours. Now get high-quality white background images, lifestyle shots, and infographics for your product listings and marketing needs in no time. With DoMyShoot, all you need is your smartphone to create browsers into buyers with images that drive sales.